is happening, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Fresh Zapatos coming at you live from the M340. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, man. Can't complain. We are hopping straight into this video. No BS. It's not too early. It's only 9 in the morning. Can you go, please? You was about to get it, bro. You was about to get it. But yeah, we got CSF meet going down today. It's basically gonna be like a small Beamer invasion. I was almost gonna bring the 15, but I was like, it's gonna be a bunch of BMWs. I don't wanna look weird. Well, it hasn't even started yet, and there's like hella people here. Alright guys, we starting off over here. Super clean. Very nice. Looks good. Okay, we got the 3.4. Alright. G80 with the carbon buckets. The big 5. Got a clean G80 over here. Dravid gray. Clean little lineup over here. Squad goals. Oh, hey, E90 in the cut over there. E46 on the TEs. Is that a Porsche? Got another G80. The S2 Kizzle. Let me get these fenders, sir. I think it's the same one I seen at that meet. Alright, alright. Very clean. Is that an M5? That's for sure a typical BMW shit right there. E36? This is nice. Okay, I see you be rubbing too. I'm not the only one. Man, the BBS is on the over there is chunky. Got the 1M out here. You never see these. I almost bought one, guys. I was gonna flip it, but it was too good to be true. It's clean. I think super clean. I like the seats. Of course, we got this guy. Got a new M. This one's clean, simple. It's got a little front lip, side splitter, some nice wheels on it. Doesn't look bad. I'm still sticking to my original thought though. All black is just the way for this car. But this setup with all black wouldn't look bad. Another G87. How do you guys feel about this one? You like the wing or not? Got the E3s on the T's. Ooh, this is mint. 36. Another GTS? It's really clean, simple. So all E90s need is just wheels. Suspension. You guys might remember this one. Super clean. Gotta love a white E46. Oh shit, Supra? Damn, Stilo, where you at? Thing faded. It's clean too. Look at the interior. Very nice. Gotta love an old car that's, you know, looks new. Shit. I miss that sound sometimes. E36. Got the E36 boys over here. All clean too. The lighting is good right now, so I know the camera's busting. Damn. Somebody's grams out here give you the gap. You don't see that every day. It's pretty clean. Black M2, yellow calipers. Stock wheels look good too. Very nice, simple. Oh, found him. Where's your lip, sir? I told him. Is this individual? Very interesting. Okay. Okay. The M2s are out today. Got a comp. Steering wheel. Cage up in there. Fun car, fun car. Hey, shout out my lawyer. Without this guy, Fresh Kicks wouldn't be driving. Another M Tizzle. Damn, full carbon on that thing. This is super clean. It's like a perfect perfect 846 setup. Just some BBSs and a drop. It's crazy. It's all like M's need, bro. Just wheels and a drop. That's what I love about them. One day I would love to have this chassis. Definitely swap though. Probably 2J. That'd be sick. Boy, tuck. Super clean. Oh shit, I hear music. We about to get demonetized. Damn, check out my boy's intake. God damn. Bro, I could throw a basketball in there. Man, look, check this out. We got a full M2 race car. And we got Taz on it. Clean, clean. Why M's just look so good? It's so simple, but so good. Look at the M2 over there. That's pretty nice. Very clean. My boy switched up the wheels. You guys remember the BBSs? Another M2. M2 is coming out. E90. Super clean. I do miss mine sometimes. Not gonna lie, sometimes. Wide body Supra. And there we go. Laguna on the bronze. That's 2K vibes. Oh man, every time I see a red one, I'm just like, damn, should have kept it. Should have kept a lot of cars, but you know, that's the whole point of buying and selling cars. Experiences. So I know what to buy later when I'm rich. M5. Clean too, you don't see this every day. Well, you guys remember this from Beamer Invasion. to get gapped by this? Gee, that's crazy, bro. Sleeper. Okay, they got some Larry bumping. All right. You guys remember this G80? Check this thing out. Well, yeah, guys, that was pretty much all the cars. Good old, we found the side parking lot over here in the cut. Got another M2. Bro, there's so many M2s here today. That's crazy. Looks like a comp. What my guy got going on over here? Supercharger? Or is that just a big ass manifold? Yep, it's for sure supercharged. Gotta love that S65. Got another new M2. Oh, fuck, man. GTR. Oh, you have the Alpha and a cooler. Okay, got a clean E92 over here. Another one. Man, I feel like if you just don't have BBSs on your BMW today, it's like, what are you doing? Oh, Type R. My boy said, fuck it, no hood. Oh shit, no mames, fresh kikis. Frescas zapatos.